Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable AWS S3 event notifications to trigger Lambda ETL. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To enable AWS S3 event notifications to trigger a Lambda ETL, first, log into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the S3 service by searching for S3 in the Services menu. Select the S3 bucket you want to configure for event notifications. Click on the Properties tab in the bucket settings. Scroll down to the Event Notifications section. Click on the Create Event Notification button. Enter a name for your event notification in the name field. Choose the event types you want to trigger the Lambda function. For example, you can select all object create events to trigger on every file upload. In the Destination section, select Lambda function. From the drop-down, choose the Lambda function you want to trigger. If you haven't created a Lambda function yet, you will need to do that first. Set any additional filters, if necessary, to specify which objects will trigger the Lambda function. Click on the Save Changes button to apply your configurations. Now head over to the Lambda service in the AWS Management Console. Locate and select the Lambda function that you linked to your S3 event notification. Scroll down to the Designer section and ensure your S3 trigger is listed there. If you need to test the setup, upload a test file to your S3 bucket. Monitor the Lambda function execution logs by navigating to the CloudWatch Logs service. Confirm that the Lambda function executed successfully based on the test file upload. You have now successfully enabled AWS S3 event notifications to trigger a Lambda ETL. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.